Hi everyone. Today you are going to learn ninth class, 4th chapter. It is lines and angles in that exercise number 4.4 from question number 1 to 5. So let's start the class now. The first bit, there are 3 internal questions in first bit. Let's go for the first one. Here, all these 3 problems based on a same property of a triangle, that is exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite to interior angles. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite to interior angles. This is what. So here in the first bit we need to find out the x, y and z values. Okay, let me go for first one first. Okay, here let us find out the x value. Here it is in a triangle. In this triangle, these two are interior angles and here x is an exterior angle of a triangle. So we know that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to opposite interior angles. Opposite to interior angles. So what is the external angle here? X degrees. So here x is equal to the opposite to interior angles are these two. That is 50 degrees plus 60 degrees. So we know that the sum of 50 and 60 degrees is 110 degrees. So here we got the value that x equal to 110 degrees. So in the same way we need to find out the second one now. Let's go for the second one. Now here the second problem. Here it is 70 degrees and here it is 60 degrees and here the z. So they have given names of this triangle also. Yes. Now here also say it is z is a exterior angle of a triangle and 60 and 70 degrees are two opposite interior angles. So we know that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So let's find out what is the external angle here? Z. This z is equal to sum of these two interior angles, that is 60 degrees plus 70 degrees. In the same way, now we can find out the sum of 60 and 70 will give us 130 degrees. Finished. And the same concept. Based on same concept, this first bit 3 questions are given actually. So next there is a third question here in the same first bit. Let's go for the third one. So here P, Q, R and S. So here S. Yes. PRS, that is the Y angle is PRS angle is Y. The opposite two interior angles are given here 35 degrees and 45 degrees. You may guess the answer now. What will be the answer? We know that we need to find out the Y value here. Y is an external angle of this triangle PQR. So that external angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So let's write here y equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles are 35 degrees plus 45 degrees. The sum of 35 and 45 will give us 80 degrees. Finished. Now with this we have completed the first bit. In the first bit, these are the only three problems we have that we have completed based on only one content, that is the external angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite to interior angles. This is a very important property in the triangles. Remember. Now we go for the second question. So in the second question, what they have given? Okay, let me draw a diagram here first. So here it is. This is A, B, and here R, S, T. 1, 2, 3. Here AS is parallel to BT. These two lines discussed. These two lines are parallel. Yes. And here there are some more angles. Here 6, 5, and 4. So here what they are given in the question, let me write first given that what happened in the given picture, AS is parallel to BT. Given that AS is parallel to BT, this AS is parallel to BT, and angle 4 is equal to angle 5, and is also given angle 4 is equal to angle 5. This angle 4 angle and angle 5 are both are equal measurement of angles. Next, now here SB, where is the SB? Here is the SB. So this SB line is intersecting, that's sorry, bisects. Okay, this SB is bisects here angle AST, angle A to S, S to T. What's the angle? Complete this angle. So SB is bisects angle AST. AST listens here angle 2 and 3 are bisecting angles by SB. That means here angle 2 and 3 are also equal. So indirectly they have given that here SP is bisecting angle AST. So what is the meaning of bisecting? Dividing into two equal parts. So this angle AST, this complete angle divided into two parts and two equal parts. That means here angle 2 is equal to angle 3. So here AST equal to, it will divide into angle 2 equal to angle 3. It's also given that now angle 2 is equal to angle 3. This is what is given. Next, actually what we need to find out. The required to prove here, but we need to prove that. Okay, find the measure of angle 1. So find out the measure of angle 1. What will be the angle 1 then? What is the measurement of angle 1? That is we need to find out. So here clearly we can find out now. See in this triangle now. So as you know here AS is parallel to BT as is given in the question. So prove AS is parallel to BT. If AS is parallel to BT, this SP is a transversal. Then SB is a transversal. So if this SB is a transversal, we know that the alternative interior angles will be equal. When two lines are parallel, if one line is intersecting two parallel lines, that is known as a transversal. Here SB is a transversal. Then 2 and 5 angles, 3 and 6 angles are equal. But here we require 2 and 5. Alternative interior angles are equal. That is angle 2 is equal to angle 5. Which kind of angles are these? Alternative interior angles. These are the two alternative interior angles. These two are equal. Now from this, the condition number 1 and from the condition number 2 and this is the condition number 3. From these three, what we can understand? See that here angle 4 is equal to angle 5. It is fine. It is also given in the question. And here angle 2 equal to angle 3 because SB is a bisector. 2 is equal to 3 and 4 is equal to 5 and this 2 is equal to 5 because alternative angles are equal. 2 is equal to 5, 2 equal to 3. So from this we can find out. See, this 2 equal to 5, 2 equal to 3 and this 5 equal to 4. From this we can find out now here angle 2 is equal to angle 5. This angle 5 is equal to angle 4. This angle 2 is also equal to angle 3. So this is also equal to angle 3. So what we can understand now? This angle 2 is equal to 3 and this 2 equal to 4, 2 equal to 5 and 5 equal to 4. That means this all these angles are equal 2, 3, 5, 4. From this now from this now we can say that here angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Only these three will take it. So what happens here? Angle 3 equal to angle 4 equal to angle 5 in triangle BST. In triangle BST, all the angles are equal. All three angles are equal. So each angle is equal to 60 degrees. Each angle is equal to 60 degrees because it is a equal. If all angles are equal, here 60, 60, 60, then only it became 180. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4 equal to angle 5 is equal to 60 degrees. Then if angle 3 is 60 degrees, then angle 2 also become 60 degrees. Now angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is equal to 60 degrees. So angle 2 and 3 become 60 degrees. But here RT is a straight line. The angle at S will be equal to 180 degrees. Now we know that RT is a straight line and the angle at S equal to 180 degrees. RT is a straight line and the angle at S equal to 180 degrees. So the angle at S is equal to 180 degrees. That means this semicircle equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. Sum of these three angles equal to 180 degrees. From this we know that 2 and 3. So let us from here we got angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to angle 2 is 60, angle 3 equal to 60. Let us substitute that. Angle 1 plus 60 degrees plus 60 degrees equal to 180 degrees. 60 plus 60, 120. So angle 1 plus 120 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So this 120 degrees will transfer this side. So angle 1 equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, as angle 1 equal to 60 degrees. Now what we need to find actually, angle 1 equal to what? The angle 1 is also equal to 60 degrees. So this is the simple thing. Here 4 equal to 5, 2 equal to 3 already given. Just we need to prove that 2 equal to 5 by alternative angles. So what happens here? 2 equal to 3, 2 equal to 5 and 2 equal to also 4. These 3, 4, 5 angles are equal. So each angle is 60 degrees. As 2 and 3 also equal. So 2 and 3 also will be 60 degrees. 60, 60, 120, more 60 we required to make a 180 degrees. Simple. Very simple concept. I hope you understood this. Now we go for the next one. Simple. We have to give the work to our mind. When you try to think on the base of concept, then you get answer very easily. So we go for now the third question. Third solution. So here the third solution, every question having diagram. It's looking like two hills. Yes. So let's see. This is A and B. It is C and D. Here E. So here AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to DE. These two lines are parallel and these two lines are parallel, and as given that angle B equal to 3x and here 105 degrees, and here they are given 24 degrees, and here they are given y degrees. So what is the question? Let me read. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD, BC is parallel to DE. Then find the x and y value. Simple. We need to find out the x and y value. What is given? See. Given that is AB is parallel to CD, and also they have given this BC is parallel to DE. Here RTP required to find, that is values of x and y. Values of x and y we need to find. Values of x and y we need to find out. So let's go for the proof. One by one, let us take it. Here, when you see here, the first condition AB is parallel to CD. When AB is parallel to CD, then what is the transversal C? For these two parallel lines, which line is intersecting? This BC is intersecting. So then BC is a transversal. BC is a transversal. Then here 3x equal to 105. Here 3x is equal to 105 degrees. These are alternative interior angles. These are alternative interior angles are equal. So this 3 is intersecting, 3 is multiplied to x. When you transfer the other side, it will divide. So x equal to 105 degrees by 3. 3 ones are 3. Here 3 3s are 9. 1 left. 3 5s are 15. So x equal to 35 degrees. As we got now x value directly, it is a 35 degrees. And what we need to do it now to find out the y value. Let's see. Now we have the second condition when BC is parallel to DE. Now when BC is parallel to DE, when BC is parallel to DE, then what line is intersecting to these two parallel lines? CD. Then CD is a transversal. CD is a transversal. Then again, here angle D equal to, will get 105 degrees. These two angles are equal again. Based on only 105 we are doing it. So these two angles are equal. So angle D equal to 105 degrees. On the basis of alternative interior angles are equal. Here AE comes states that alternative interior angles. So AI stands for alternative interior angles. Here angle D equal to 105 degrees. Now in triangle CDE, now we'll observe in triangle CDE. In this triangle, we know that angle C and angle D, we need to find out angle E. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle will give us 180 degrees. So in triangle CDE, sum of three interior angles equal to 180 degrees. What are the three interior angles? Angle C plus angle D plus angle Y is equal to 180 degrees. From this, we know that angle C is 24 degrees from the question, plus angle D is 105 degrees, plus angle Y is equal to 180 degrees. Here, 4 plus 5 is 9, 10 plus 2 is 12. 129 degrees plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. This plus 129 will transfer the other side. So we get 180 degrees minus 129 degrees. So what we get here, Y equal to 180 minus 129 will give us 51 degrees. So we got X value 35 degrees and Y value 51 degrees. So I hope you understood this problem also. Both are only one concept, that alternative interior angles are equal. Once 3x equal to 105 degrees and next the angle D equal to 105 degrees. Simple. With that we got X value and also Y value. Very simple concept. Next we go for the fourth one. So let's see the fourth question. Yes. Here C, D, B, E, A, B, C, D, E. Then here you are perpendicular. Yes. Now here this angle 1, here angle 2 and 3. Yes. Now what is given in the question, let me read. In the adjacent figure, BE is perpendicular to DA. Yes, BE is perpendicular to DA and CD also perpendicular to DA. Then prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So what is given that here BE, this is perpendicular symbol to the DA, perpendicular in the sense intersecting at the angle of 90 degrees. Okay, so and also here CD is perpendicular to DA. So here we need to understand these two perpendicular lines on the same line DA. So these two perpendicular lines will be parallel to each other. If two lines are perpendicular on the same line, then the two perpendicular lines are parallel to each other. That is a concept here. So we need to find out RTP. Required to find that angle 1, we need to prove that angle 3. Angle 1 equal to angle 3, we need to prove that. Very simple concept. Prove and very simple and easy way I will update. See that as you go for 1, here there is a straight line. I have given one perpendicular line. Then here one more perpendicular lines, and here there are many perpendicular lines. So perpendicular is straight lines. All these lines will be parallel to each other. In the same way, here CD and BE are perpendicular to each other. So this perpendicular on the DE. So here CD and BE are parallel on parallel lines. So here CD and BE are perpendicular on same line DA. So CD and BE are parallel to each other. They are two parallel to each other. These two are parallel. So here we get CD is parallel to BE. CD is parallel to BE. So if CD is parallel to BE, then now if CD is parallel to BE, then the line here BD is a transversal. BD is a transversal. So if BD is a transversal, here we can say that alternative interior angles are equal. See, these two lines are parallel and here BD is a transversal. So alternative angles are equal. So now according to the alternative interior angles are equal condition, we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 as proved. Here, hence we have proved that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So how simple these two lines are parallel? Here BD is a transversal, so alternative interior angles are equal. So angle 1 equal to angle 3. Very simple. So based on that, only the concept we need to understand. If two or more than two lines are perpendicular on the same line, then the perpendicular lines are parallel to each other. What I have drawn here the figure, on the based on same concept, we will solve this problem. And the last problem here for this video, that is fifth question. Here very interesting questions all, but when you have some content 30 degrees 5 by 2x here x minus y. So here A and this is D and this is B and this is C. Okay. Now here let's find out what we need to. Let's see the question that find the values of x and y which the line AD and BC became parallel. AD and BC became a parallel. Then find the values of x and y. Here given that if AD is parallel to BC, if AD is parallel to BC, then find out the remaining values are given in the question itself, that I am not writing here. So what are the value here? This angle 30 degrees, this is 5y, 2x, x minus y. These are not writing here because clearly we can see in the picture. Now RTP, we need to find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y. We need to find them. Let's go for the proof. So here you see that here according to vertically opposite angles, these two angles are equal. So I can say that this 30 degrees. So angle DAC according to according to the vertically opposite angles condition here, angle DAC, this is this angle, D to A to C, this angle is equal to 30 degrees. Angle DAC equal to 30 degrees. So this became a 30 degrees now. And as is given in the question that if AD is parallel to BC, if AD is parallel to BC and here these two lines are parallel and here AC is a transversal. AC is a transversal. If AC is a transversal, we know that alternative angles are equal then. So in the same way, these two also alternative internal angles. So the two conditions I am going to write based on the same. So when AD and BC is a parallel lines and AC is a transversal, then we will get here x minus y equal to 30 degrees. And the same condition when AD is parallel to BC, when AB is a transversal, 2x equal to 5y. So first condition we will write here, when AD is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal, here x minus y equal to 30 degrees. This is equation number 1. Next, here the same AD is parallel to BC and AB is a transversal, then here 2x equal to 5y. 2x equal to 5y. So this 2 will transfer this side so that the x value will get that 5y by 2. 5y by 2. This is equation number 2. Let us substitute 2 in 1. Let us substitute equation number 2 in 1. So what is the 1 here? X minus y equal to 30 degrees. When x value is here 5y by 2 minus this y I will write as a y by 1, that equal to 30 degrees. So here we will take the cross multiplication. 2 ones are 2, 1 into 5y that is 5y minus 2 into y that is 2y equal to 30 degrees. This 2 will transfer this side. 5y minus 2y is 3y is equal to 2 into 30 degrees. 30 degrees into 2. So this 3 will transfer this side. 3 is multiplying, it becomes a division. So y equal to 30 degrees into 2 by 3. 3 ones are 3 tens are 10 into 2 that is 20 degrees. Y equal to 20 degrees. So we got the y value. Now what we need? X value we required. So we need to find out the x and y value. So only we got a y value. This y, let us substitute y equal to 20 in the equation about 2 so that we get the x value. So let us substitute y equal to 20 degrees in equation number 2. What is equation number 2 here? X equal to 5y by 2. Here y equal to 20 degrees we need to subtract. X equal to 5 into 20 degrees by 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. So here x equal to 5 into 10 degrees. So here x equal to 5 tens are 50. Therefore x equal to 50 degrees. So I hope you understood this problem also. This is enough for this class. In our next class, we will learn some more problems from the same exercise. Thank you for watching this. Keep practicing and keep learning. Bye.